Now, I did not buy like an everyday rider. I literally bought my dream snowboard. I almost died on that one. I caught this part of the snowboard. Grabbing melon is completely changing my front three. In the era that I did, Mountain Dew dominated snowboarding. Did you guys see that nice Tindy I got on that one? What up, Team Buckhouse? I did it. I bought a snowboard. Now, I did not buy like an everyday rider. I literally bought my dream snowboard. This is the Never Summer Mavericks LT. It's a hybrid camber directional snowboard. 157, which is actually pretty big for me. But it's a special limited edition Mountain Dew snowboard. And I've always wanted one of those. And it just showed up on the Facebook Marketplace. And I was like, I gotta have that snowboard. I don't care that it's too big for me. I just gotta have this snowboard. But if I'm gonna buy it, I gotta at least take it out once. So this is a trophy board. I'll ride it today. I'll take the bindings off and then it's gonna go on the wall and it'll be a great conversation piece. But the thing is ripping. So because it's a directional board, and I honestly, other than my pal boys, haven't rode much directional snowboards, this thing does not like going switch. It definitely wants to put me back to regular. But we took some turns on it, as you guys saw. It was cruising. It feels good in the air, honestly. And we'll test that out by going to the park, and we'll do a little bit of park riding on this thing today as well. But I'm really hyped on this snowboard. It's got such a sick graphic. Look at the Yeti. Of course, the Mountain Dew limited edition. And overall, I'm just super stoked to have this snowboard. Shout out to Benson today too for coming out and filming, because today is like almost like a day off for us, despite being a nice 2 inch, it's like 2 inches of snow out here, bluebird day. We're taking it mellow and just filming with this snowboard, and then we're out of here. There's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story, backlash written on me, card popping on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies and counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now. I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down. I don't wanna know it. We're going up, we're going under, there's nothing that we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story, we're going under, and there's nothing that we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such. You guys see that nice Tindy I got on that one? In your chest, in this story. Backlash looking on me, card popping on the glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies and counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Alright guys, this board is ripping in the park. It's funny, I feel more comfortable on this directional snowboard riding in the park than my camber snowboard that I've been ripping the last couple days in the park. And it's the profile, which is funny because it's still a soft board despite being directional. With it being directional, I actually don't think it carves that well. Camber profile, if you're looking for a snowboard to really carve the mountain, get a camber snowboard. This one, it can make some turns, it's ripping the mountain, it's fun. It's kind of more of like a backup POW board if I had to put it anywhere. It rode through the little bit of snow we did ride through really good. But in the park, I feel super comfortable on it. Through a 5. We'll throw some more tricks. Probably do a couple more park laps. But overall, I just can't wait to put this thing on the wall. It's so good looking. It's so green. Green's my favorite color. And then obviously being a kid growing up in the era that I did, Mountain Dew dominated snowboarding. The Dew Tour, all that stuff. So like, why would I not want like a Mountain Dew snowboard? You know what's another thing that you should not want? You know what's another thing you should want? Today, sticker shout out. We got Rob with the white sticker on the black helmet and the electric sticker on the white helmet. Looking good, dude. Doubling up. Thank you for supporting the channel. We also got Bode Agus with the crazy light sticker on the snowboard. Also looking fresh, man. Guys, thank you so much for snagging the stickers. The thing about the Evolution stickers this year that I have loved is you guys love the new patterns. So this is the fire sticker, which is actually now available, but we have like the crazy lights, the electric sticker, the Lego sticker, which is Roman's, and 100% of those proceeds go to Roman. So it's not just solid colors. I mean, we got red, green, blue, any solid color you want, but we also got these cool new patterns on them, and you guys have absolutely loved it. So thank you so much for snagging the stickers, and just like the chipmunk stickers doing well. All of it allows me to do this for a living, so I cannot say thank you enough. And if you do snag the stickers, make sure you tag me on Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also, if you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out on a bunch of bonus extra content I post there almost daily. Also, I put awesome stories where you can see like behind the scenes stuff. I actually like posted a bunch about my Halo competitive days as I was going through some of my childhood boxes and stuff. So like follow the Instagram. There's a bunch of bonus extra content. If you're wondering why you haven't seen Benson yet today, is he's got a competition tonight, so he's saving the dragon energy is what we like to call it for tonight. So good luck betting on the rail jam, the jam of rails. We got Tate. Sam? Ethan, what up, guys?
Thank you.
Tag me and I'll share it.
I got you.
Grabbing melon is completely changing my front 3. Feels so good. All right, so the one thing that is kind of like, oh, whoa. I was like, I kept being like, dude, this thing feels so good in the air. Every time I go in the air, it feels so good. It's because the board is so big. A 157 is way bigger than a snowboard that I normally ride. So when I go into the air, it's like a big old boat, and I'm just like, so it feels great in the air, which is super fun. We got like 2 more laps in us, and then we're out of here. This is one of the cool thing about today is not just because we're riding like my dream snowboard, but it's literally a dream day. Like 2 inches of fresh, the snow's super soft. It's bluebird, not a cloud in the sky. Warm Colorado day. These are some of the best that you can get, and so today's been amazing. So smash the like button for the amazing day. It's always crazy when you see like someone filming someone else snowboard, because that's what we look like every run, but I don't like think about it until I see someone else doing it. But yeah, that's what we look like then. Bunch of goofballs, big old goofballs. But I don't care. Died on that one. I caught this part of the snowboard's edge. I was kind of going 7, but I didn't have the right wind up and everything. Oh, Almost died cheating. Don't cheat, guys. Cheating gets you wrecked. So I'm trying back 3 crail. So you're spinning backside, but you're reaching forward on and you're grabbing the nose of your snowboard. It's pretty technical, tricky trick. I was close the first time I attempted it. I haven't been close the last 2 times. So that's what I'm gonna try. Chipmunk jump of the day. Here we go. Let's see if we get it. I end up almost just doing a 180 because I'm like thinking about doing the crail too much, but we'll see if we can get that trick this year. That'd be really cool. Back 3 crail. You know what else would be really cool? If you guys came to summer camp with me and learned how to get better at snowboarding. If you're an intermediate rider, you can turn down like blues and blacks and just like you're confident on your snowboard. You make some turns and then you want to like kind of dabble in the park. You want to get better at carving. You want to get better at butters. Come to camp. Snowboard camp is going to be a game changer this year. It's in June at Timberline in Oregon. All-inclusive camp. Top link in the description. Check out summer camp, and I would love to ride with you guys this summer. It's the only time of the year I actually get to coach you guys on snow. So if you want to get coached by me, it's the only time you can do it. All right, we got Peace Park, and then we're out of here.
Peace Park.
Red's Gerard's backyard park. And then we're out of here. What a sick day. So many people here, but honestly this is exactly the day that I would want to have on this snowboard. I'm probably never going to snowboard again. It's going to go on the wall. I'll remember this day. I'll remember the jumps we threw. We did front 5 today. We did front 3 melon, which is changing my front 3 game. Overall I'm hyped, and in total we're like just getting better at grabbing our snowboard when spinning. That's the whole thing I'm focusing on right now, is grabbing while spinning, not penciling every rotation. All right guys, that whole bus experience was a little interesting. I forgot to film, but we're at the car. And did you know this was the first time I ever rode a Never Summer snowboard, by the way? Pretty fun experience. I thought it was a great board. Once again, it's the Mountain Dew edition. It's limited edition. You can't get this board anymore, but the shape I think is still available. The Mavericks LT, it did good. It felt like it did best in the air. I don't think it was a hard carving board. I didn't tune it up, so the edges might have been a little dull. But the board's in incredible shape. I think I just added a ton of black to the base. I have to buff that out from the rails. But overall, I'm proud of it. It's gonna look so sick just chilling on the wall. I'll take the bindings off. Limited edition Mountain Dew 157. And quick side note, so if you own a Never Summer board, you know they got this top sheet that's kind of like scratchy, whatnot. That top sheet doesn't hold stickers well. So if you are gonna put a sticker on a Never Summer snowboard, kind of heat up the snowboard, heat up the sticker, apply it. You gotta push it down extremely hard, heat the sticker again, push it down again. You have to really do some work to get a sticker to stick to the top sheet of a Never Summer. Do you wanna get in the car? All right, Team Buckhouse, with that being said, I bought my dream snowboard. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Most of the time we're doing a vlog style like this, but we do drop how-to videos and stuff like that. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible, but also just show you so much more about the snowboard lifestyle. We are traveling all over the United States and snowboarding. Eventually we'll be traveling the world, but right now we have a goal to ride every resort in the United States, and we just booked a trip to Minnesota. So all you Minnesota kids, we're flying in, we're riding Buck, Highland, staying the night, waking up, riding Elm, and then flying back to Colorado. It's a 2-day, like, boom. We'll be there for less than 48 hours, and I'm really excited. But as always, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another sick video, just not on this snowboard. I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.